Hello, this is Aaron from the Know-How, and today we are going to do a video to show you how to put actions into the object in PYTHA. This is one example of a cabinet that was done in PYTHA. Okay, so if I off my solid, we have some drawers and some doors. So we are going to put some actions onto the drawer. Okay, so first we see that we have a drawer box and the drawer front is outside of the group. First, we should put the drawer front into the respective groups. Okay, so I've done it over here. Okay, so how are we going to do this? For the drawer to come out, okay, I want the drawer to come out by 300 mm. So what do I do? Okay, I'm just going to take a screenshot for you. So we are going to use this command called MOV, which is move. And in this command, we have to state the X, Y, Z, and S. Okay, so this is how the command should look like. So in this case, for PYTHA, I want the drawer to come out like this. So this is in the Y direction and it's in the negative direction. So for this example, it should be MOV, X is 0, Y is minus 300. Okay, if your Z is 0, you can just skip it and we say S50. So 50 is the speed which the drawer comes out. Okay, so I'm just going to do one now. So all you do is right click on the entire group and say attributes dialog. Scroll down to action and say MOV bracket X is 0, Y is minus 300, comma, S50, close bracket, enter. Okay, immediately, if I right click on this drawer, we will see this thing called action. When we press action, and the drawer immediately opens. I can apply these attributes to all the drawers over here. So I just say attributes dialog, action, done. Again, one more, attribute dialogs, action, done, and the last one. Okay. So just to double check the action, just make sure it's 300 negative. Negative 300 S50. Okay. Let me double check here again to make sure the actions are correct. Paste. And the same thing for here. Okay, so once you're done, we should say action and the drawer will come out like this. Alright. So I'm just going to undo. Okay. And now how do we make the doors open? Okay. So the doors is slightly complex. But first let's isolate the door. So say right click, only this part visible. So first we have to, for the doors, first we have to state the axis. Okay. So for the door, it uses the command ROT. So over here, I use my red pen, ROT bracket, the angle, comma, the axis, comma, the point that we are moving, comma, S, the speed. Alright, the axis and the point is determined by a reference point. So what we are going to do now, because this door opens outwards like this, outwards, okay, we are going to select this as point 1, this as point 2. So in this case, the axis will be R1, R2, reference 1 to reference 2. and the point that we are going to move is R1. Understand? So over here, first we have to say under attributes parts reference point, let's delete all the reference point in this table on this door first. And we say input, okay, and we say input a reference point on this part with point 1 and point 2. Okay, 1, 2. And now say attribute dialogs. We scroll down to action and we say ROT, and I'm going to say minus 50, okay, comma, R1, R2, comma, R1, comma, S50, close bracket. Okay, I'm just going to adjust this, press OK, and now all parts visible, and now I just right click and action, and you see the door moves out just like that. Okay, so if I say action again, you see the door moves out. Okay, because it's 50°. Okay, for this, I show you again. We say this part, only this part visible, and remember, first we delete everything. So for this door over here, we want the reference point to be at the bottom. So we say input this part, reference point 1, reference point 2. Okay, and we say again attribute dialogs. Okay, and we go down to action, and we will say ROT. This time we can try 50, comma, R1, R2, comma, R1, comma, S50, close bracket, enter. All parts visible, and again, right click, action. Right click, action. Right click, action. So this is how we do actions for the door and the drawer. Alright, so feel free to let us know what other tips and tricks that you need and you'd like us to cover in our YouTube videos. Thank you.